Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to interpret and navigate the team summary page. After you log in, you're going to use the left side navigation to navigate towards team and then team summary. It'll open up your page to something that will look similar to this. For this specific team, I'm viewing it in the current month. And you can change the date range that you view the summary page by clicking on the calendar in this top right corner. You have several options. You can view the current week, the current month, the current year, last week, last month, last year, all time, and then you can create a custom date range. The rank will give you the ranking place of your team amongst every other team on the Fishial.AI portal. Uploaded images will give you the number of images that have been uploaded to the team for the given period that you've selected. So for this past month. Submitted will tell you the number of images that have been submitted by your team members. And then pending review will tell you the number of images that are pending review that have been submitted by your team members. New will tell you the total new images assigned. You have the capability to assign images to certain team members if you want to delegate certain tasks. That can be very handy and helpful. The number of images that have been rejected by the QA/QC team, and then the number of images that have been verified by the QA/QC team. Over here in this section, fish species traits tagged by type, will break down graphically the number of times each fish trait has been tagged by your team members. Unique species counts will give you a detailed outlook on what species have been tagged in your team images. It will give you the common name, the scientific name, the number of times the images have been uploaded, the number of new count tagged images, the number of polygons that have been created, the number of images that are pending QA/QC approval, the number of images that have verified through the QA/QC process, the number of images that have been rejected, the total number of traits that have been added, as well as measurement line, and what images should be included in the object detection model, which is a metadata tag that your team members can select. You also have the ability to download this information as a CSV file by clicking on Download CSV File. Here is a graphical representation of images that have been submitted, verified, or uploaded during the time period that is highlighted in the top right-hand corner. Down here, this next row will tell you the number of images that have been tagged with certain metadata tags. Underwater will tell you how many images were tagged as underwater. No fish in photo will let you know how many photos that have been submitted by your team members do not have fish in them. Not a real fish will be an artistic rendition of a fish. How many photos have been marked as a test photo? How many photos are of an X-ray? How many photos that have been submitted by your team members that have been marked as to include an object detection model? The number of unique species that have been submitted, and then the number of unique species that have been verified. Below that, you have team summary stats. You will have a list based on on the ranking of the individual on the team with the number of points that they have earned. We're still currently working on this point system now. The user's name, their position on the team, which by clicking on it, you can see the number of fish that they have drawn, the number of traits that they have labeled, the number of updates that they have made on the team, the number of images that they have uploaded, the number of images that they have assigned to them, the number of images that they have submitted, the number of images that they have submitted that have been rejected by the QA/QC process, and then the number of images that have been verified through the QA/QC process. You also have the ability to download this information as a CSV file as well. Teams ranking is below that, and it gives you the ranking of other teams on the portal. And then available badges are the available badges that the team has available to them. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the breakdown of the team summary page.